Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. It's Abu Bakr and I'm back with you again. This time around, we are learning what phrasal verbs. We are not going to take too much of your time. We're getting right into the lesson. We are learning phrasal verbs as what? Idioms. Now let's see what are we doing here today. Phrasal verbs, they are expressions, or they are, let's say, for example, when we say phrasal verbs, they consist of verbs and adverbs or what prepositions. That's basically what phrasal verbs are. They're verbs that are made up of what? Verbs. They're not only standalone verbs, but verbs that have in addition to them, what's it called? A preposition or an adverb. So when we say, for example, made up or make up, you understand? To make up, that is to reconcile. You understand? It simply means to reconcile, but it's make and up. Whereas up would normally be a what? Preposition. Now here, it's what's used in conjunction with what? Make. So we say make up. Not make up like maquillage. Do not know that. This make up here means make up to reconcile. So that is what a phrasal verb. But then we can still use phrasal verbs as what? Idioms. There are idioms which are actually phrasal verbs. So that is what we are learning today. That is for all the students here or the learners here who are actually willing to better their English. That is what I got for you today. So let's get right into it. When we say phrasal verbs as idioms, they are expressions which consist of verbs and adverbs or prepositions. You understand? Let's take it once again. They are expressions which consist of verbs and adverbs or prepositions. Now, expressions. We'll say the expression, we say the meaning, and then we give an example. That's how we are going to do it. So, first off, I have this one here. It says to be hard up. To be hard up. Now, let's say, what does that mean? The meaning here is to be short of money. To be short of what? Money. So if you have little money or you have no money, that means you are hard up. So you can say, Alidu was hard up last week. Means last week you were short of money. You understand? That's what it basically means. And then we still have to ask after. You see? To ask after. It's also a phrasal verb that is used here as an idiom. To ask after. It means to what? To inquire after someone. That means to ask about someone. So for example, when you do come and you are asking, you are inquiring, you are seeking information about someone, it means you are asking after them. So for example, here you would say, Mam Khadi asked after Bashiru job. You understand? Mam Khadi asked after Bashiru job. It means probably she came to the house, she didn't find him, she found someone else in the house, and she asked after him. She inquired after Bashiru job. You understand? Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Here it says to back down. To back down. You get it? Like here it would be like, if you are not a very fluent speaker of English language, you would be like, what does it mean to back down? Back and down? But that means something entirely different. Let me explain. The meaning here is to accept defeat or withdraw a claim. So the meaning could be two here. You could say that means to accept defeat. So maybe you had maybe an argument or something, or you were having a conversation and there were two sides of the story. Now, for you to accept defeat is to back down. But that's just on a mild side. If you're going into deeper terms, it means, let's say it's a war or a battle, something on the serious end. And then one party out of the two, you have the Ghalib and Maghlub. That means the victor and the, what's it called? The defeated. So the defeated here is the one who actually has been like, what's it called? The other party won. So this one actually lost. But this one, in this case, we don't mean they lost. They actually backed down. Instead of them going to war, they now say, now we have surrendered. So to surrender or to come down from this high horse, that means you have backed down. You understand? So now they are not going forward with that initial plan of going to war. Now they have accepted defeat. They have thrown in the white towel. That is what we say, backed down. You get it? Throw in the white towel, accept defeat. That is all. Submit, surrender. That all means what? Backing down. Or it can also mean to withdraw a claim. Maybe initially you took a claim of, you took a complaint, or you lodged a complaint at the police station regarding someone. You understand? Maybe someone did something to you, or something happened, there was a particular issue, and you went to the police station. If you did indeed like go there and you made a claim, now you want to withdraw that statement, you want to take down that claim, that means you have backed down. You get it? Yes. So that is what it means here, to back down. You get? Okay, now let's continue. Now we still have to bear off. To bear off. Bear off, it means what? You're gonna see the explanation. It says to carry away a prize or booty. When we say a prize, like let's say in a program, in a competition, they have a competition and someone won. That's, he won the prize. Like you can say maybe there's a competition, musabaka, and someone who won out of the entire contestants there. The person who won, the victor, the overall best, is gonna get prize money. And then we have prize money for the runner-up. You understand? So that prize that the person is taking away, that action of him taking it away, we say here, he bore off. So here we say to bear off. So Khadija will bear off her prize from the program. You understand? She will carry away the prize. She's taking it home. So like, let's say, for example, we have something in Ghana we call Ghana's Most Beautiful. I don't watch it anymore. I used to watch. Before, like the winner, after the whole season, the one who won would have a prize, she had, I think, a prize money, and then she would also have a car and something of that sort, and maybe a sponsorship deal or something. So that is what she is bearing off. She's taking that home. She's carrying it away. That is the prize. That is the booty. It's also the same thing with act of war. In war, when after a ghazwa, a war, or a battle, something like that, we have ghanima. That is the spoils of war, right? That's those who take it away. If you win, what you get, like of your opponents, the opposition, the one you won, the defeated, what you take from them, that is what, that is the spoils of war. And you, it's also called the booty. Yes, and now you're taking it away. That is what, that is also you carrying, you bearing off. You understand? We can use it in that sense as well. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section. We'll check them. And if you have any other phrasal verb as an idiom that you know, you can also add them for the community, for everybody to be able to share in and learn, understand, enjoy. Let's all learn and like move forward. That's the goal here. That's the main aim here. So once again, this is the peace sign. I'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.